Okay, this is a video on dither. Now, what is dither? Dither is white noise. Now, this is going to be what you do at the last of your recording. When you're saving the file, you're going to use dither. So dither is white noise. It goes over a level of noise. So if you have any noise in your recording on your waveform, you can use dither over and put it over your recording. Now, shape dither is preferred over other different dither methods because it's intentionally distributes. I'm going to forget some of this, so I'm going to have to read it off here. Distributes the added noise across the frequency spectrum, placed most of the noise at frequencies that are less perceptible to the human ear, resulting in a significantly quieter perceived noise level, while still affecting masking quantization errors. Essentially, it makes the added noise sound less noticeable, making it the most suitable choice for audio mastering, where minimizing the audio noise is crucial. Okay. Most audio mastering situations where a high quality conversion to a lower bit depth is needed, like when exploiting the final audio file to a 16-bit format. So shaped dither is the best to use for this. So on different DAWs and audio engineering software, you can go into your preferences and you can either pick it through your preferences, or when you're saving a file to export it, you'll see it in the saving preferences there, and you can click dither and shape dither and just process it like that. Okay, thanks for watching. Look forward to you in the next lesson. Thank you.